on, everybody? I'm Shy. This is the Dollar Tree. We are back, or should I say, we are backed. Hey, listen, I told you guys. I said it before, and I'll say it again. Bat. I've been talking about it for the last couple videos. When it was 25 cents, I didn't say it on. I think I did say it in the last video about the target being 38 cents. Went up to 40 cents, pulled back a little bit. Listen. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when we upload a new video, all right? I want to get more involved and give you guys more investing, not financial advice, but opportunities to take a look at what you could possibly benefit from in the cryptocurrency market. I'll just say it like that. But anyway, Chainlink pullback, pretty good pullback. I guess that's kind of normal, but what I'm looking for is if Bitcoin doesn't pull back more and starts to trend a little bit sideways and tries to break back to the upside, then I can see Chainlink still, starting to work its way back up toward that $19 range. If not, you could definitely see Chainlink down to around $12, $13 for sure. Now, I will say this. I did a Chainlink price prediction video. And even before then, a couple videos before that, I spoke about getting Chainlink at that $6.50 range. Okay, I gave you that. That was a freebie. So if you caught Chainlink $6.50, $7, like I told you when it was up to 8.5, and I spoke about the pullback, you're welcome. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like, hit the bell. All right. Now, let's also talk about XRP. What did I tell you about XRP, man? Crossroads. I gave you a pretty lengthy video on what I was looking for Chainlink in the short term and the long term. But based on what I've seen, 80% of the time, at least 75% of the time, if Bitcoin pulls back, XRP is going to pull back with it, unequivocally. All right. So what I'm looking for is XRP needs a lot. It needs a lot of market participation to move as far as new money into the market. It just needs a lot. It is a heavy coin. Chris from Crypto Revolution YouTube channel, you should go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Said that in this video that it is a heavy coin, and it is a very heavy coin. It takes a lot to move it. XRP it's kind of a gift and a curse. Because see, if you expect XRP, which at some point, XRP is going to be 45 cents. Come on. Let's be realistic here. XRP was 20 cents. It was 18 cents just, a month and a half, 2 months ago. So the bad thing is it moves slow and it's not offering much in the gains department, within a decent time frame. The good thing about it is the gift of it may be the fact that it moves so slow that it gives you an opportunity, and I've said this previously, it gives you an opportunity to put as much money in the market as possible to make the most of the move that it makes. So instead of you trying to, for example, instead of you trying to get, 80% on $2,000, you got a little bit more time to get 30% on $8,000 to $12,000. You see where I'm going with that? So I think in that respect, if that's the way it plays out in the market, that's the opportunity that presents itself, and it comes to fruition. That's a plus for XRP. But let's go. Let me do this screen share, man. Let's talk a little bit about the news. Let's see what's going on the news a little bit, and then I'll end the video right there. But this is what I want to know. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me know what's your favorite coin right now. Let me know what coins do you think are going to perform well for the rest of the year, for the third and fourth quarter. And let me know what kind of videos you want to see us make too over here at the Dollar Tree. I really want to hear you guys' opinion. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at the.dollar.tree. Let's go take a look. All right, I was having some technical difficulties, so I'm going to have to do this from my phone. But let's go through it. Report finds 50 billion of cryptocurrency moved up. I don't want to hear about that political shit. Barstool's Dave Portnoy is bad at trading crypto. Oh, man, that's good. IRS puts cryptocurrency front and center of 2020 tax return. Hey, guys, listen. File your taxes. All right? They're not playing. They understand that they can't control it and keep it. But you know what? Let's talk about this a little bit. Let's talk about this cryptocurrency and IRS. This is a video within itself. I'm not going to go long, so stick around, please. So let me just say this. Most people are going to go along with the idea that I'm just going to give my crypto, my cold storage responsibility to the banks. If you have been following cryptocurrency news or any of these other cryptocurrency news reporting channels, they have talked about a recent article that come out that banks are now offering custody solutions for cryptocurrency holdings. All right. And I would not be surprised if, to curb the potential issue of the IRS and the government having to miss out on money and opportunity because they're not going to be able to get a hold of people's cold storage wallets, that down the line they say, no, it's mandatory by law to tell people, no, you can't hold your crypto in a cold storage in your home, just like they did with gold. Remember, they did the same thing with gold. Oh, it's illegal to hold physical gold. Give it to us. But yeah, guys, just go ahead, make sure you file your cryptocurrency tax returns or whatever the case may be, so you don't have to worry about trying to do negotiations with those type of individuals. But anyway, let's move on. Programs, lifts, lid, trading, cryptocurrency. I did hear about that. I think that's great for Hawaiians. I think that's a great opportunity. Anytime you try to make laws around hindering people's ability to make money and create opportunities for themselves, I think that's a crime. That's the actual crime. Let me see. What role will crypto play during the Great Reset? Probably the role it's still playing, but more expanded. More ingratiated into the financial systems, or maybe a little bit more of a transition over to the cryptocurrencies. Illicit cryptocurrency mining without artificial intelligence. The world where central banks issue digital currencies, Bitcoin and Libra may find a place. And Libra may find I'm pretty sure it already has its place. Bitcoin is used as a trading asset for people to make money. It's an investment asset. Libra has to get its feet on the ground and start walking to run. Yahoo Finance, Barstool's Dave Port. Let's go see what Dave Portnoy. Excuse me if I'm debauching your name. Portnoy Online Sports celebrity founder and Barstool Sports may be quitting cryptocurrency trading after buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies a little more than a week ago. What? He just started buying a week ago? I don't get it. Besides leading to a stabilized Bitcoin purchase, Portnoy's meeting with the Winklevoss brothers resulted in $50,000 purchase of Chainlink, which has dumped. All right, look. As of Friday, after losing $25,000, oh, he lost $25,000 because the price dumped? I currently own 0 Bitcoin. The Bell, the cryptocurrency actually gained more than 70% in days following Portnoy's broadcast purchase. Link, however, dumped 30% since Portnoy's signaled his bullishness for the coin, tweeting, "Link to the moon." Hey, listen, guys. I say this on the channel all the time, man. Stop trying to follow behind what other people do. I mean, that includes me. And I say that because I encourage you guys. What do I encourage? Learn the market, learn basic trading, learn basic technical analysis to benefit yourself. Don't just go off the whims of other people who particularly aren't proven. I'm new on this. I'm not necessarily proven, despite the fact that I've already, given you guys freebies as far as investment opportunities. But guys like in the video that I spoke about, Crypto Revolution, he has a trading group. A lot of people having success over there with things that he taught. You've got TA with Mitch Ray, which is a very, very good technical analysis influencer here on YouTube. TA with Mitch Ray. Yes, I'm going to give him a shout out. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. He live streams and covers Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and traditional assets, regular stocks, regularly, which is very good. Have a lot of respect for that guy and appreciate everything that he does. I've actually learned a few things from him watching his video as well. So let's continue. High Ethereum fees push Tether to its 8th blockchain, OMG network. No wonder OMG shot up 140-something%. I guess that's what everybody was buying OMG on, the fact that Tether was being moved over to the OMG network. Link crashes as $12,000 evades Bitcoin. Weekly recap. Link crashes. I think anybody who's been in the cryptocurrency market understand how volatile this is and wouldn't consider anything under 25, 20, let's say 15. Anything other 20, 15%, I don't think that's a crash. I mean, these coins are only $1 billion market cap, half a billion, stuff like that. That's not a crash. Would have been what the March was 30, 40, 50, 60, 70%. That's a cryptocurrency crash. A 5, 10%, 15%. In many cases, especially in upward trending bullish conditions in the market, that's normal. That's regular. Google opens the door to mass cryptocurrency adoption. The impact of cryptocurrency on the traditional sports industry. Leading cryptocurrency exchange. Pay Beto add more coins to put. East versus West. How does cryptocurrency adoption compare? 6 types of cryptocurrency scams you should be aware of. Listen, they got a commercial. Yo, there is an ad now on YouTube of Vitalik Buterin and Ethereum sitting on the stage talking about why you need to give them your Ethereum or give them your crypto. It's all a scam. And if you guys have run into that, we have to contact Google and let them know that is a scam. I'm sorry. There is no, I'll give you this. I'll give you this amount of money. That is a scam, dude. Please, guys, don't get so, no disrespect, but I'm just going to call it like it is. Don't get desperate to where you really, you fall for that. Please don't go for that. Bitcoin price risk dropping below 10,000 if support level fails. If this support level fails. Listen, I think in the previous video I spoke a little bit, even in the XRP video, I talked about if Bitcoin can't hold it, you're going to see a flash down to 11.2. We got there. All right. We bounced a little bit as of the creation of this video. It's back up to 11.6, 11.7. Listen, this I agree. If 11.2 breaks, 11.150, whatever, depending on the exchange, if 11.2 breaks, I'll see you at between 10.5 and 10.7. No question. I mean, I'm not predicting anything outrageous here. If the difference happens, then that's good for us all. All right, I'm over here on Cointelegraph. Take a look at a couple of these articles real quick before I close out. Warren Buffett index predicts stock crash. How will Bitcoin react? Well, if it's any indication, well, if we want to get a good idea, we could just look at what happened in March. We just keep it that simple. But here's what I have to say about that, guys. If you buy low enough, none of this matters for your long-term holdings. If you're short-term, kind of mid-term trading, keep them stop losses tight and move in and out of the market and get what you can get from these moves higher. Just because something's going up 20, 30, 40, 50, 80%, it does not mean it's that easy to catch. I've been thinking about doing a video about dispelling some of the myths around gains in cryptocurrency markets, as well as doing a video about the untold truths of trading and understanding trading in the cryptocurrency markets. I've been thinking about doing that video to help you guys out, because, when you get in and you start putting your money into these assets and you're looking at these charts, I really want you guys to learn this and understand this so you can be more self-sufficient as far as investing and create extra money for yourself. But listen, if it crashes and it comes down, understand that red means buy, green means sell. And it's a little bit more nuanced than that, but that's pretty much as simple as I can give it to you right now at this moment. When that big drop happened in March, there's a thing that you look for called a recovery, V-shaped recovery. And when you get those V-shaped recoveries, that can, when you look to the 4-hour and the 8-hour for a verified bounce and a move higher, and you start off with a tight stop loss, not too tight, of course. But you want to get in around those areas so that when the price does move up 2x, 3x, 4x, and it pulls back 50, 60%, you're not sweating. You're looking as that as an additional opportunity to add to your bag on the way up for midterm or long term, depending on what your plan is. Because remember what I say, always have an enter and exit strategy when you're getting into these trades. Don't just jump in and then when things start happening, you're in dismay because you can't get out the market because things are crashing and you haven't taken profits on the way up. But anyway, here's another article. What top U.S. politicians and President of United States election candidates think of Bitcoin? Donald Trump, the 45th President of the United States, is very much aware of Bitcoin and he doesn't like it. In 2019, Trump unleashed a scathing attack on a premier cryptocurrency in a tweet that came days after the launch of Facebook Leave a Crypto project. He categorized stating that that he wasn't a fan of Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies aren't money and their value is highly volatile. Trump's administration has failed to create a clear regulatory framework on digital currencies and blockchain. However, in March, the Office of the Controller of Cryptocurrency announced the appointment of Bitcoin bull Brian Brooks as their chief operating officer. The appointment was viewed as an endorsement of blockchain technology by the Trump administration. Joe Biden, the former U.S. vice president and only Democrat contestant for a presidential seat after Bernie Sanders' dropout, is presumed to be a Bitcoin supporter. Presumed. So anything after this is speculation that I'm going to read. In one article, Biden was portrayed as the Bitcoin candidate. That's not true. It was another guy who was much more cryptocurrency feeling that was on the Democratic side. I can't think of his name, so excuse me. Well, listen, I ain't going to get into that whole politics stuff. But anyway, portrayed as the Bitcoin candidate. While he hasn't come out publicly endorsed the cryptocurrency, Biden is a strong supporter of technology and innovation. Back in 2011, he commented about the internet and dubbed it a neutral source. The internet itself is not inherently a force for democracy or oppression, for war or peace. That sounds so cliche and clowny and cheesy. Like any public square or any platform for commerce, the internet is neutral. All right, Bernie Sanders. Oh, I'm not about to go through all of this. Well, you guys can go over to Cointelegraph. I can tell you this. The politicians may have a lot to say about this, but what does the SEC have to say? What does Brooks have to say? You know, what does the IRS think? What does the SEC and, you know, anybody, Wall Street and those guys, what do they think? Because if you guys are or are not familiar with politics, that's what it's all about. The guys who look like they can gain opportunity from these different investments, they're going to put their money towards a candidate who's going to go and say things to endorse it that's going to benefit them and put money in their pockets. You can like it, you can not, whatever the case may be. That's just what it is. But anyway, that's the video for today. Checking out on the most recent news. Hey, shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to everybody who liked the video. Please like the video. You can follow me on Instagram and YouTube. I'm Leo Calm. C-A-L-M. I'm Leo Calm. You can follow us on Instagram at TheDollarTree. Leave a comment down below. What you guys think of Chainlink? Do you think Chainlink is still going to move higher toward that $30 range? I want to know. Tell me what you guys think. XRP, are we going to 42 cents, 42 to 45 cent trading range, like I said, or are we going back down to flash to 22? If Bitcoin flashes down to 10.5, yes, XRP will present a potential buying opportunity at 22 cents. This is not financial advice. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.